Hello folks, welcome back to our cozy kitchen. Today we're going to be diving into a delightful recipe that not only warms you up, but will also help keep those pesky colds at bay during the autumn and winter seasons. This age-old recipe was made famous by the world-renowned herbalist Rosemary Gladstar. I stumbled upon it in one of her books, and my husband found it in an issue of Mother Earth News. So it felt like a sign, especially since I had fresh onions and garlic already harvested and cured. To create this wonderful elixir, you'll need some fresh ingredients, preferably organic for the best results. Fresh ginger root, onions, horseradish, cayenne pepper, garlic, raw honey, and of course your apple cider vinegar. I'm using what I have on hand today, but I recommend organic apple cider vinegar with the mother for full effect. You'll also need a trusty half-gallon mason jar with a lid. So while we're prepping all of these ingredients, I'll talk about the health benefits of each of the ingredients. Now let's get started. First up, we've got fresh ginger root. Not only does ginger enhance the health benefits of other herbs, but it also adds a lovely zing to our fire cider. So cayenne and horseradish. So these spicy ingredients are excellent for our fire cider, and a big reason I assume that this is called a fire cider because these ingredients add a whole lot of heat. They help the body to produce mucus to drain sinuses or create a protective coating to reduce inflammation. Speaking of congestion, recently it was found that the leading decongestant in cold and flu medicines might not actually work as well as we thought. An FDA advisory panel found that it may not effectively relieve nasal congestion at all. So this is where our natural remedies come in handy, as we find out that over-the-counter medications might not be as effective as they claim, or misleading about how well their ingredients help to treat certain illnesses. So one of our superstar ingredients is garlic. Garlic is not just a wonderful flavor enhancer, it's also antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. It contains a compound called allicin, which has potent antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it a useful folk remedy for yeast infections and even more. It is important to note that allicin will be degraded if you apply heat to garlic, so this is something that you want to use fresh in any of your remedies. Next are onions, and onions are not just for tears, they're also antiseptic and also contain allicin. They are an expectorant, an antispasmodic, and even an antibiotic. On top of that, they're also anti-inflammatory, which can help with damaged and inflamed skin. This is a very popular ingredient for treating conditions like strep throat. The last ingredient we'll be adding to our apple cider vinegar is honey. Raw honey is not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. And apple cider vinegar, well, it's an all-around hero with its own set of amazing qualities that are good for gut health. In Rosemary Gladstar's version of this recipe, she actually adds in the honey after the main ingredients have processed for a few weeks. It's very simple. You're just going to take all of your ingredients, add them to your mason jar, and then you're going to cover it completely with the apple cider vinegar. Seal up your jar and place it in a cool, dark place, giving it a good shake. And then after about 1 month, you'll separate the ingredients from the cider, and you can store it in your fridge where it will last up to 6 months, or you can store it on your counter and it will last a few months. And there you have it, your very own homemade fire cider. This cider is not only a great natural way to keep warm, but also has fantastic immune system support properties and will help to protect you from pesky autumn and winter colds. Enjoy it as a tonic or mix it into your favorite recipes, and stay cozy and healthy, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.